Hello everyone, Rajesh here, web designer from India. In this video, we will discuss about why 90% dropshipping business fail. We already know dropshipping is an easy business compared to e-commerce. Because in dropshipping we don't keep the inventory of products, right? But 90% of dropshipping businesses are failed because they are missed some important things. In this video, I will explain those important steps, those important points. If you are new to dropshipping business, then you consider to care about these points. The first one, selecting the wrong niche. Niche is the main thing in our any business. In e-commerce, selecting the niche is very, very important. What category of product you are selling? What type of product you are selling? That's called niche. Niche means the category. And also, if you target particular country, you care about your preferred niche suitable for that country. For example, some products are selling best in US. Some products not makes a good sales in US. So if you plan particular country and your niche accordingly. I want to say one easy way you can find the best niche for your new store, because many people are struggling to selecting a niche, right? So one easy source I suggest you to use Flippa.com. We already know Flippa is a website buying and selling site. From Flippa we can easily get top niche ideas. Just open Flippa.com and create your account. You can easily create your free account in Flippa. After you created, just go websites, e-commerce and dropship. You click here. See here, you can see lot of sites are listed. Okay, you just filter out money making site only. These are already money making sites, so you can find out hot niches here. This site is an automotive site, this is a lifestyle, this site I think home and garden niche, I think. Yes, home and garden niche. So then next you can find some lot of confidential sites. Masks. This is the mask, face mask. Now we are in COVID-19, right? So masks are hot niches now. So like this you can filter out hot niches for your store. The second point, lack of patience and persistence. Not only in dropshipping, in any business we need a patience, right? Because we need some time to understand the business and make out the sales and other things. You need to patience. Don't change the niches or don't change the products immediately or just in few days it's not working, or just you wait patiently and do the advertisements and other steps, marketing steps, you will get new order. So lack of patience and persistence is very important. You consider about this. The third thing, lack of investment and resources. Lack of investments and resources. Dropshipping is not a very huge business because you don't need to spend more money in dropshipping business. At least you need to spend $400 to $500 for advertisement. Advertisement is one of the marketing tricks. So you need to spend $400 to $500 for advertisements only. Then only you can get more sales. So if you can't spend at least $400 to $500, better you not start any store. Better you don't start a dropshipping business because you can't success. So plan for advertising in your dropshipping business. That's one of the path to success. The fourth point, the selection of wrong platform. Selection of wrong platform means which platform you created your store. There are multiple ways you can create it, through Shopify or WordPress or many other things. Many other e-commerce platforms are available. So first you decide which platform you want to build your store. If you plan to build your store through WordPress, you don't to pay monthly fees, right? But you need to pay for monthly fees is for hosting, web hosting, right? If you choose WordPress, you need to pay monthly fees for web hosting. In case if you choose Shopify, you don't need to pay for monthly hosting fees, but you need to pay the Shopify subscription fees, right? So before you starting your store, you decide which platform is good for you. Then choose that platform, because dropshipping business you need to spend more months, many months, right? So it's not you can't get a sales or in very immediate sales. So choose your platform wisely and very long term planning. Okay, then the next important thing you need to consider about bad customer support. Once you started your store, your online store, you plan to give the top notch customer service to your customers. Pre-sales or after sales, you give the very best customer support, because customer support is a important factor to come back your buyers again and again. So customer support, if your store customer support is good, you will never get more sales in long term. The next thing, delayed shipping. Shipping is a very important factor in dropshipping. If you choose AliExpress, it's a Chinese company, so generally it takes more than 20 days to deliver a product to US, right? So before receiving an order, you just inform your buyers this particular product will take this much of time. So this type of messages will reduce the refund request and other things. And another one thing you can do, if you want to sell a product in US, I suggest you to use Pocket. Pocket is a best platform to deliver products in US and Europe countries. Their shipping period is very less than compared to AliExpress, so you can consider to use Pocket also. Okay, so Then we will move the next point. The 7th point, inconsistency in managing business. Inconsistency in managing business. Lack of planning. If you not plan, if you not prepare yourself for your business plan, if you don't have a perfect business plan, you can't success in dropshipping. And one thing I want to say, the Forbes Business Magazine says that every 8 of 10 businesses fail in less than a year, because the major reason is inconsistency or lack of planning. So plan yourself and your business perfectly before start your store. Okay, so the next point, unattractive website design. Website design is a very important, because this is the first impression to your buyers. You create your store very attractively and simple and perfect website for your product. It may be a single product or multiple product, you can say, that's not a matter, but your website must be very cool and beautiful. Because website is a first impression. It's like your visiting card. You create your website very perfect for your products. That's a very important thing. I hope this video very useful to you. Thank you for watching. See you again on next video. Bye.